Introducing the Dr. Trust's Smart Body Fat and Composition Scale 2.0, the perfect way to keep track of your weight and analyze your overall body health. This unique smart scale boasts a fully rechargeable battery. Simply plug into a laptop, computer, or wall adapter with the included USB cable and charge anywhere, anytime for reliable, ready-to-go weighing whenever you need it. The tempered glass scale is sleek and stylish, perfect for any home, and the non-slip feet ensure your skid-free safety on any surface. On the back of the scale, you'll even see some quick go-to instructions if you ever need a reminder, and a manual unit button to change your unit of measurement from kilos to pounds or stones. On the blue backlit screen, your weight is displayed with 2-digit accuracy after the decimal point, along with the room temperature. This smart scale pairs with the AI Fit app for Apple or Android to allow you to track your full body analytics on the go in the palm of your hand. Simply download the app to your smartphone, turn on your Bluetooth and open the app, pairing with the Dr. Trust scale and registering your user profile. Be sure to input your details accurately for the most comprehensive body analytics, including your gender, name, age, height, and target weight. To pair with the scale, step on the scale to turn it on. Click Me, My Device, then Sync Device to get started. And once scanned, you should see Connected when the devices have been successfully paired. In the app, you can choose the unit of measurement before you begin. To take a measurement, place the scale on a hard, flat surface and step on with bare feet, making even contact with the metal electrodes. Stand still and wait for the display to become steady. When an accurate reading has been taken, the measurement will flash and your body analytics will show on the scale and on the app. You will now be able to see your weight in your chosen unit, your muscle mass, moisture, bone density, BMI, visceral fat index, subcutaneous fat, and your protein rate with your score, BMI and BFR at the top. With this information, you can now work towards your optimum body levels and obtain your health goals with ease. So, what are you waiting for? Take your next step to a healthier you with the Dr. Trust Smart Body Fat and Composition Scale 2.0 and make your health smart today.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.